The final event is the beep shuttle run or beep test, which is a measure of cardiovascular endurance or aerobic capacity. This is an essential ability for running pursuits and use of force situations lasting more than 2 minutes. You will line up behind the starting line. At the first beep, you will run 20 meters to the forward line where the cones are located. The goal is to arrive at the same time as the next beep. At the start of the test, the pace is quite slow. The goal is to remain in pace with the beeps. If you arrive at the line before the beep, you must remain at the line. On the next beep, run back to the start line. You'll be given a warning if you do not reach the line at or before the beep. The test stops when you do not keep up with 2 consecutive beeps. The pace of the beeps will increase every minute. Your goal is to run in time with the beeps as long as you can. After you are finished, do not sit down or stand still, but walk to recover. The minimum standard for this event is level 4 shuttle 4.
3, 2, 1. 1, 1. 1, 2. 1, 3. 1, 4.